Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I am going to talk about the most perfect and most reliable forex trading indicators that you can use for your trading purpose. So before going to the video, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel and if you have not pressed the notification button till now, then kindly press it, because you will be able to get the forex trading updates from my side with a free technical analysis as well. Moreover, those subscribers who haven't joined the WhatsApp group till now, I provide some free technical analysis based on the indicators and the trading system in my WhatsApp group, and they can also contact me regarding any inquiry on +92 318 673 2851, or you can also leave your emails to info@200forexpips.com. So guys, make sure that you join the WhatsApp group so that you should not miss any kind of updates. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the trading system today, and we will talk about the opportunities based on this trading system. You can see I'm using the red boundary indicators, and I'm using a very good and powerful forex trend dashboard that highlight me with the different trend from 1 minute to the weekly, 1 hour, daily. Everything is just provided in the simple indicators here. These indicators are very simple to use. Just you need to follow the right method to use these indicators. So guys, let's talk about, first of all, start from gold. I'm currently on the 1 hour chart of gold, and if you look at here, what happened previously, the gold was moving into the downward direction. It come down, it was coming below the middle dotted blue line, and then selling chances were more on gold, and then it entered into the lower red boundary, which is considered as the oversold levels of this trading market. Okay, now when the market comes into the oversold levels, then you guys have to wait for one bullish candle for a trend reversal. Okay, so it will give you the very good scalping chances. Like you can see today, in these days when we are into the holidays, then you can see the markets are a bit slow from the normal momentum. So guys, in these days you can get the best advantage from the scalping. So how to scalp this market using these powerful indicators? From the red boundary indicators, I will say you let the market drop into the lower red boundary for taking a buy position. So it does not mean that into the lower red boundary it's making the bearish pattern and you are going to place a buy orders. This will be a completely wrong approach. So wait for at least one bullish candle from the oversold levels. Now look at here, this candle was bullish, and after that what happened? The next candle went bullish, and that was a very good time to enter into the buy position on gold. So guys, if you have missed that trade, that I'm not sure that you were using this trading system or not, because most of my subscribers, they have this trading system, and this is for the new subscribers or still who don't have this trading system and they are waiting to have the right tools for forex trading. Then this video is especially for those subscribers, because they can really improve their forex trading with these powerful indicators. Okay guys, so for example, if you have taken a buy chance from here and you have tested the market on the next candle up to here, then guys, you can simply make like 300 to 500, or depending on your investment, you can even make up to $1,000 from that trade. And if you are using the bigger lots, then guys, even your return can be more higher than this, because it was a very simple trade from trading from that level to that level. Okay, so I have cleared this concept that how you to take a buy position. Okay, now I'm going to improve your trading style again. So now look at here, what's going on with the current candle. It's currently into the oversold levels. I agree to this, but does it start any bullish pattern? The answer is no. There is no bullish pattern on the chart. So once again the same type of reversal comes, that if the market makes a bullish pattern, then on the next candle, after waiting for 1 hour, then on the next candle you have to place a buy order, otherwise it is not recommended. So this is how you will use this red boundary indicators, right? Okay, so it was pumping below the middle dotted line, you will have to take sell chances. If the market stays above the middle dotted line, then you will have to enter into the buy chances. Okay, now guys, look at this. What to do when the market is just into the middle here? I mean just below the middle dotted line or somewhere in the middle. So guys, you can use the forex trend dashboard for this. So for example, if you look at the 1 minute chart, a 5 minute chart, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, then you can see maximum we have down signs and only one up sign. So I'm going to take you towards the 1 minute chart of the market. Now look at the 1 minute chart. If I prepare this trend line, then guys, you can see the market is making the downward pattern, not a bullish pattern. It means that on the shorter time frames, the gold is going down. So if the market is up to here, like for example, if in the last hour the market still makes the bearish pattern and in the current hour it's still going down, so you can take bearish chances and you can scalp the market for some candles, like based on the 1 minute you can trade like 3 to 4 candles, and after that you can immediately get out from that trade. So this is how you can use this one. Hopefully the buy concept is clear. Okay guys, another good example of taking a buy position based on this trading system. Now look at AUDJPY. The AUDJPY was coming down. It went into the oversold levels. After waiting for 1 hour, you have a bullish candle that I have explained you already. Now, after waiting for 1 hour, the next candle is pumping up. It means that you had to take a trade on this candle, and this candle is pumping up. So it was a very good chance to take a buy position on AUDJPY. Still, it has a very good chance because the market can pump into the another direction. Overall, if you consult the Forex trend dashboard, then you can overall judge the data. You can see few downs and rest of all the data is into the green signal with the up sign. It means that AUDJPY is strong today, so you can take the buy positions. At next, let me see what's going on with EURJPY. The same concept applies, guys. Look at this. The market went into the oversold levels, and after that it started to gain the momentum, and then it went into the other side, and you can see the market has turned into the upward direction. Okay, and if you look at here at the Forex trend dashboard, you can see just we are getting more downs on 1 minute and some downs on 5 minute. Otherwise, rest of the data mostly says up. It means that EURJPY stands into the upward side. So if the market stays above the middle dotted line, definitely it has chances to go into the further upward direction. Okay guys, look at Great Britain Pound JPY. The data is staying below the middle dotted line, so selling opportunities are into Great Britain Pound JPY. And if you look at the 1 minute to 30 minutes chart, you can see the market is going into the downward direction. The Forex trend dashboard is a very good indicator. So let me add one thing. Those subscribers who do not have the Forex trend dashboard, those who do not have the red boundary indicators, and they want to have the right tools for Forex trading, they can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp, that is +923186732851. This number is also provided in the description of this video below, or you can also contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, at next let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. Very simple. Look, the long bullish candle pumped above the middle dotted line, so it was pumping above the middle dotted line, so you have to take a buy position right from at these levels, and you can see USD Canadian dollar is up into the direction, so it was a very easy chance to take a buy position. Okay, so USDCHF, look, if you look at USDCHF, look, the current candle is pumping above the middle dotted line, so it means that buy chance. If you consult up to 1 hour, you can see we have few downs and rest of the things are up as per the Forex trend dashboard. It means that it's a very good pair to take a buy position. It's into the buy trend. Okay, so look at AUDUSD. Now look at here what's going on. The market is reversing from the oversold levels at the trading system, so it means that a buying chance. However, there was chance to scalp the market into the downward direction based on the lower time frames, but guys, I do not advise right now because this long bearish candle entered into the oversold levels, and now it looks like that AUDUSD has it's stable right now, so be careful with this. At next, we have USDJPY. So guys, it was very simple. You can see this candle was pumping above the middle dotted line. Then you have to take a buy position, and you can see strongly it went up. Now it's just near to the overbought level. So let's see how the market behaves. But currently, if you look at the Forex trend dashboard, everything is up. So you have to take the buying chances on USDJPY. At next, Great Britain Pound USD staying below the middle dotted line. So simple, you have to take the sell chances. And New Zealand USD, let me open that chart. It's a bit slow at my end. Okay, just a second. Okay guys, there is some sort of error at my end. So overall, it's been stuck. My MT4 terminal is stuck. So guys, I have given you the judgment of this overall market, that how you can scalp the market and how you can plan long trades. So for example, if you are consulting the Forex trend dashboard on the smaller time frames, then you can see that if the market is into the red from 1 minute to 30 minute, take the selling chances. And if you see that the market is behaving very good on the higher time frames into the and with giving a clear direction, then you can go with the other direction. Okay, so for example, let's say about New Zealand USD. So from 1 minute to 30 and even 1 hour, it's saying us down. So here you need to wait, because if the market goes up little bit like up to here, then it means that the trend is getting changed, and after waiting for 1 hour, you can can take the buying chances on New Zealand USD. So this is how you need to manage this trading system. And the Forex trend dashboard is very easy to use. I have explained you everything in this video, but still, if you have any questions, you can contact me on WhatsApp, that is +923186732851, or you can also leave your emails on info@200forexpips.com. So guys, hopefully you have enjoyed today's technical analysis. If you have enjoyed today's technical analysis, then please press the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with everyone. And those subscribers who have not joined me on Instagram, and those subscribers who have not joined me in my WhatsApp group till now, then I suggest everyone to join and come at my Instagram and just search 200 Forex Pips on Instagram. You will be able to find the post from my side, and you can get the daily technical analysis from my side. So guys, thank you for very much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye.